China's property crisis deepens as another huge developer risks default.
This post received a score of 5,000, with an upvote ratio of 96%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
This is why Chinese with money have been buying properties overseas.
Rise in Canadian real estate.
Welcome to Canada.
Ahem. Canadistan.
Gesundheit.
That this shit wasn't cracked down on ages ago suggests a truly astounding level of corruption in the CCP. This is not a hard scam to notice and one that has very obvious negative consequence.
The wild part is these empty cities were identified 4+ years ago. Who the hell has been so stupid to invest in Chinese real estate since then? Apparently at least 1 million people.
There are huge restrictions to investing in stocks, you can't, and other stuff in China. Add to that they had year-over-year inflation and the societal pressure to own land to get married.
Evergreen was the first card to fall from the top of the house. This is just the next one. Brace yourselves. The winter of our discount tent is coming.
Evergrande not trying to be a spelling cop, just wanted to put the correct name out there in case people wanted to research.
They both went sideways and disrupted commerce though.
Touché. They built too damn fast and basically made the supercharged version of our housing crisis.
Not the best bet to overbuild when you have a legally mandated diminishing population.
Doesn't China run a property Ponzi scheme? You pay a mortgage for an unfinished house so they can make new houses which are sold and they're never finished.
The builder starts building, and after building a certain percentage, let's say 20%, they start selling. As the building continues to develop, the buyers pay more money. When the building is 30% completed, you are supposed to have paid 30% of the amount. The money has already been paid by the buyer, but the building is left unfinished and thus, demolished. Your example makes it appear that a high-rise building takes many years to build. But in reality, these construction companies can build a 20-story building within a week, if they want to, and many of these buildings are just sitting empty. So why aren't people moving in?
If they sit empty, that's fine? In the eyes of the Chinese public, as the condo itself is the asset. They don't even bother to furnish it, but instead hold on to the asset and let it appreciate, or use it to marry off a son. This seems crazy to Americans since we invest in stocks, but housing prices in China have greatly outpaced the Chinese stock market, and it's illegal for Chinese citizens to invest in foreign markets like the US's NYSE. Also, what makes it better for investment in China is that properties are tax-free. Without any property tax, you can sit on an extra condo without worrying about needing to rent it out. Anyway, the issue here is the construction company ran out of money, with hundreds of projects across the country all halted, and billions of dollars worth of condos have been paid for but don't exist yet.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.